Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Today, we're thrilled to bring you along with us on our vlog adventure. My husband and I were craving something different for breakfast, so we're heading to one of our absolute favorite spots here in Secret Harbor. Come join us. Right now, we are cruising along National Route 1. We can't help but marvel at the breathtaking beauty of Western Australia. The road stretches out before us, offering a panoramic view of the azure sky adorned with the beauty of the shining sun. It's moments like this that remind us how fortunate we are to live in such a stunning place. Soon, liliko na tayo. Okay, dito. So, turning left onto Anstey Road, it winds gently through a scenic landscape lined with lush greenery. Ayan o guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo naman. Tuwing dumadaan ako dito, nai-inlove ako kasi ang ganda tingnan. So, the road meanders past serene residential areas where neat rows of homes nestle amidst well-tended gardens. As you travel along Anstey Road, the air is filled with a sense of tranquility. It's a route that captures the essence of coastal living, inviting you to enjoy the peaceful charm of this seaside community. I wish you all could see this view with us right now. Living along Anstey Road is a true testament to the beauty of this tranquil area. Surrounded by serene landscapes, residents enjoy proximity to stunning beach destinations spanning from Rockingham to Mandurah. The peaceful atmosphere here is complemented by the calming presence of nearby coastal spots, making it an ideal place for those seeking both natural beauty and a relaxed lifestyle. Which reminds me, I have a friend who lives around here. I hope next time we would be able to catch up together and maybe I can ask her kung ano ba talaga, kumusta ba talaga rito, di ba? As we drive from Anstey Road towards Secret Harbor Boulevard, you'll notice a route that takes us past a roundabout, offering a glimpse of local shopping centers and popular fast food chains on the left side. Ayan o, yan. So, dito na tayo sa roundabout. So, ayan, nasa kaliwa siya. This part of the journey provides a convenient stop for essentials or a quick bite, enhancing the convenience and accessibility of the Secret Harbor area. In the residential area along this stretch, it's evident that many residents have a passion for golf, as you'll notice expansive golf courses flanking both sides of the road. The neatly manicured greens and occasional players enjoying a round highlight the community's affinity for the sport. The surroundings exude a serene ambiance, making it clear why this area is beloved by golf enthusiasts and residents alike. And finally, here we are at Surfing Lizard in Secret Harbor. Have you heard of this gem before?
Paano ko?
Hello, mag-hello ka naman sa aking video. Hello, vlog. Yeah. Hello. Kasama ko. Kapit pa ba yung bintana? Yan. Hello, vlog. Saan kami pupunta? Doon. Bilang sa, ano pati sa grip.
Hindi ako nakagulit.
Hindi daw siya nakagrip. Gamitin mo na naman yung avocado, ha. Buti na lang. This charming cafe is nestled within the Secret Harbor Surf Life Saving Club. It's relatively new but has already become a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Situated just steps away from the pristine Secret Harbor Beach, the cafe offers a delightful menu featuring Asian fusion coffee, breakfast options like avocado toast with poached eggs, and scrumptious lunch dishes such as teriyaki chicken burgers. There's something here to satisfy every craving. Now welcome to Surfing Lizard Secret Harbor. Tara, pasok tayo. The atmosphere here is cozy and inviting with the beachy vibe that perfectly complements the seaside location. Alright, time to figure out what you want to indulge in today.
Special nila.
Vegetarian. Hindi man ako vegetarian. You must order a meal in order to be able to purchase alcoholic drinks. So, hindi pwedeng alcohol lang. What do you want to order, my Larry? My darling, please.
Drinks, chai latte with alcohol.
Sino yung drinks dyan? Drinks. Hot drinks. Chai latte with almond milk. Nasaan yung chai latte? Hindi ko mabasa. There you go. Oh, ayaw mapindot. Didn't go through. Okay, so which size? Kung ano pumili dyan? Nine in. And then what else? Almond milk. No sugar, anything? Okay, so food mo. Ayan yung breakfast. Gusto mo ba breakfast? Okay. Ano gusto mo dyan?
Meron na sila ngayong extravagant breakfast.
Ano kaya yun? Ano kaya laman nun? Extra. Baga egg siya. Oo. Extravagant. Yun na, meron din silang brunch dinner, oh.
Saan?
Ayun, oh. Ano yung mga choices? Ako yan, love.
Alin?
That one, the chicken po. We're good. Thank you. Yeah.
Ilang egg?
Akin yan, no?
Hmm.
Gusto ko idagdag. Mushroom? The mushroom. Extra mushroom. Yeah, that one. Set. Pakilagyan mo nga ng quail eggs. There you go. Set. Sa'yo lang. Gusto ba rice? Grandma's fried rice? Popular din sa kanila yan.
Ano laman nun?
Yun lang po alam. Excuse me. Just ask.
Meatball spaghetti. May ma.
Ha?
Meatball spaghetti.
Gusto mo yun? Ikaw. Smile. Saan ba sila? Pwede ba magtanong? Excuse me. Ayaw mo ng fried rice, no?
At tanong mo na kung anong laman.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. Sorry. Yeah. I just want to ask about the grandma's fried rice. So what does it include? The grandma's. What's that? Grandma's fried rice. So what does it have?
It has
Mushroom?
egg, chicken.
Okay. So it has chicken. It has quail egg, you said?
No,
No, egg.
Just
So it has
fried
chicken, egg, and mushroom.
That's it. Here's the egg.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So that's the brunch one, and then they also have the breakfast.
Yung spaghetti, parang nataka mo.
Sige, yan. You want the meatball one?
Oo.
Di click mo.
Meatball.
This one. Dine in. And then what do you want to add on that?
May mo ako ng garlic bread.
Oo. So, wala kayo dadagdag dyan?
Oo.
Okay.
Bread.
You found one. Extra one piece or two pieces or what? Wala na, ganyan lang?
Oo.
Set mo na. Click mo yung set. And then, you pay. Hang on. So, we're placing the order now. How are we going? Check out. There you go. Of course. Dito lang. There you go. Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tayo.
Here we are at our table. My husband's chai latte have just arrived and it smells absolutely heavenly. Now we're eagerly awaiting for our main orders. Sundan ako niyan. Ang bango ng ano mo ah.
Tapos sinerve nila. Taka na muna yung spaghetti.
Wala bang sa choices yung ano? Diba nung in-order mo yung spaghetti, wala dun sa ano na, maglalagay ka ng garlic bread. Separate order siya. So, dapat nakaharap ako. Harap ako sa kanya. Para nakikita ko ng video ko. Tumayo. Upo ako. I will sit down.
Galing, no?
Talaga.
Kaya na yung order.
Nice. Ay, thank you so much. Nice. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, thank you. Ikaw, anong order mo?
Spaghetti. Sarap mo talaga umorder, no?
Talaga, walang ka-duda-duda. Hindi, cellphone lang. Picturean ko lang itong aking.
Hindi pareho yung
Oo, talaga.
mas mahaba yung ano ko siya sa ganito.
Ay. This is my order. Yummy. Sasawa ko naman yung garlic. Ano yan? Nagselo sa cellphone mo. Hey, what are you doing?
Baka,
You're making me feel useless.
baka kung nakaano siya, nakasend siya ng ganito. Nag-click.
Sabi niya, it's a competitor. Mamma Mia, my favorite here. Asawa ko yan, garlic bread. Try natin yung spaghetti. Sinusundan niya. Nakitingnan nila yung phone ko.
Naigop na ako.
Ay, oh, sure. Gingetero ka talaga. Sabi ko, diba? Kasasabi ko lang nung kasa mo.
Baka maibog ako.
Ang hilig mo mag-eksperimento. Oo, di ba? Ang hilig mo mag-experiment ng order. Ayun na, yun yung spaghetti mo. Yun na kaya? Ay, hindi pa. Oh, yan nga. Is that the spaghetti? Nice, thank you. Oh, you eat it.
Ano garlic bread?
Ba't ganyan siya?
What's yung spaghetti? Kasi yung spaghetti dito.
Your Honor, wala po akong alam dyan. Sabi siya nagtaka. Ganyan yung spaghetti. Ang sabi yung resibo natin. Check it out. Yan mo, baka na meatball sauce na yung in-order natin. Yeah, meatball spaghetti. Ibibigay sa'yo yung noodles. Separate order. I-digit mo na lang. Tama, sabaw ka muna. Dito nakakalimutan.
Kaya ano kayo nito? Kaya masarap umorder.
Tagan si Kuya, walang ka-fail-fail ang order. Kidis, ano yung nag-gilaris tayo? Kidimil. Sabi ni Kuya, kidimil ka na naman. Ayan na. Wow! Thank you. It's alright. Yeah.
Thank you.
Papa, yung sabaw.
Ano?
Yung sabaw siguro nung kanina mo. Naluan lang na doon. Pinayos na yung presentation. Saan yung ano lang? Pwede mo yung ano ko. Bibidyo mo ko din yung ano. Teka lang, wait mo ako.
Yung ano lang?
Finally. Tama na yung order ng asawa ko. Magpukunin ka na. Masarap pa? Bread mo. Masarap?
Dip mo sa ano.
Hindi ko didip dyan. Dami na kumakain, ano?
Dip mo nga rito eh.
Dumating kasi ako sa point, nagsawa ako before, lagi tayo nandito. Ngayon, okay na ulit.
Kasi kung kakain ka ng local cafe, kahit sabihin mo umorder ka pa ng big breakfast, hindi kasing expensive dito eh. Although baka yung upa nila dito.
Possible yun. Taylor Swift. Kasi ng Taylor Swift. Masarap pa? Busin na yun ah. Hindi ka magluto. Kasi magluto rin naman. Nilabas ko yung mga karne eh.
Adobo na lang tayo.
Inalis ko sa freezer.
Adobo na lang tayo.
May baboy doon. Ito mga adobong baboy. Nilabas ko yung baboy. Kasi yung binili kong chicken, yung boneless eh. Kasi mo kung gusto mo.
Ha?
Ano makatingin mo? Chicken pork. Adobo. Mami, nilapit na ano ito? Ulit tayo ng eggs.
Ha?
Yung eggs. Kasi dapat pala 4 binili natin yun.
Oo, dalawa na lang. Kalahati na lang tayo.
Sabi nung bumili tayo ng sushi, dapat pala 4 na kayo natin. As we conclude our video blog today, thank you for your support and for joining us in our funny yet enjoyable experience at Surfing Lizard. Talaga naman nagdulot ito ng saya at ligaya sa aming umaga. We hope we have conveyed our excitement and happiness visiting this cafe in Secret Harbor. Stay tuned for more adventures and stories on our channel. Thank you once again and until next time.